Hollywood mourns a legend. Gene Hackman, gone. But whispers arise. Autopsy results are puzzling, revealing nothing definitive. Speculation swirls regarding the true cause of death. Was it natural, or something darker at play? The world remembers Hackman's iconic roles. Behind the scenes, questions linger. His passing, unexpected. The official report offers little clarity, citing inconclusive findings. Friends and fans demand further investigation. Is there more? Initial reports pointed towards natural causes. Now, uncertainty clouds the narrative. The autopsy failed to pinpoint a specific reason for Hackman's demise. Suspicious elements remain, fueling conspiracy theories. The search for answers continues. Hackman's legacy endures on the silver screen. But the mystery of his death deepens. Medical examiners found anomalies, yet no concrete cause. Foul play isn't ruled out entirely, keeping suspicions alive. The truth remains elusive. A quiet passing, or something more sinister. The autopsy paints an incomplete picture. Results deemed inconclusive have sparked a wave of concern. Did something happen that remains hidden? The investigation faces a dead end. Gene Hackman, a cinematic giant, is now gone. But the story doesn't end there. His autopsy reveals confusing, ambiguous data. Rumors of unusual circumstances are rapidly spreading. Is a deeper investigation warranted? The official cause of death remains undetermined. The autopsy yielded perplexing, conflicting indicators. No single factor adequately explains Hackman's death. This uncertainty has ignited widespread public unease. What secrets are hidden? Many recall his incredible performances. Some now question his final moments. Inconclusive autopsy results offer no closure, only doubt. The mystery surrounding his death intensifies. Is justice to be served? Hackman's sudden passing shocked the world. Now, the autopsy deepens the mystery. Examiners discovered inconsistencies, leading to inconclusive findings. Whispers of foul play linger in Hollywood's shadows. Is something amiss? A beloved actor, now a subject of debate. The autopsy failed to provide conclusive answers. Conflicting evidence points in multiple directions. Suspicion permeates the air, leaving many unsettled. Where will the truth lead? He left an undeniable mark on cinema history. The autopsy results offer unsettling ambiguity. Medical experts struggle to understand the findings. Was Hackman a victim of unforeseen circumstances? Or something more? The investigation into his death faces roadblocks. Inconclusive autopsy findings stall progress. Authorities remain tight-lipped, fueling speculation. Concerns about transparency are growing exponentially. What is being concealed? A legend's life ends with unanswered questions. The autopsy presents an incomplete narrative. Discrepancies emerge, casting doubt on initial assessments. A sense of unease settles over the entertainment industry. Seeking the truth. Behind the iconic roles, a cloud of suspicion. The autopsy provides ambiguous information. Authorities are unable to pinpoint the exact cause. Theories abound, ranging from accident to something darker. Is there a cover-up? Gene Hackman's name will never be forgotten. But the mystery surrounding his death endures. Autopsy results indicate inconsistencies, raising red flags. Demands for further investigation become ever more pressing. What happened? His final chapter remains shrouded in mystery. The autopsy leaves more questions than answers. Unusual findings have ignited widespread speculation. Concerns about the integrity of the investigation mount. The truth must be revealed. The silence surrounding his death is deafening. The inconclusive autopsy fuels public distrust. Rumors of foul play continue to circulate rapidly. Was he a victim of circumstance, or something worse? Pursuing justice. Hackman's legacy deserves respect and clarity. The autopsy report offers neither resolution. Ambiguous results raise serious ethical questions. Demands for a transparent inquiry grow louder daily. Will the truth prevail? Beyond the fame, a vulnerable human being. The autopsy findings are deeply troubling. Medical anomalies cannot be easily explained away. A sense of injustice permeates the media landscape. What are they hiding? The world mourns, but questions persist. The autopsy fails to provide definitive answers. Conflicting evidence sparks fierce public debate. Suspicion taints the memory of his passing. Seeking resolution and truth. He entertained millions for decades on end. The autopsy report raises serious questions. Unusual findings create an atmosphere of distrust. Demands for a comprehensive investigation intensify. What secrets lie buried? His talent was undeniable, his loss profound. The autopsy paints a disturbing, unclear picture. Examiners struggle to reconcile the conflicting data. A quest for answers begins in earnest. Is justice attainable? From tough guys to complex characters he shone. The autopsy deepens the mystery surrounding his death. Unexplained factors cause widespread concern and anxiety. A shadow of doubt falls across the community. Finding answers. Hackman's passing has become a cause célèbre. The autopsy offers inconclusive and contradictory details. The lack of clarity creates intense public frustration. What happened in his final hours? We must investigate.